Hello everyone and welcome to Pour Selection. In this channel we talk about fine things in life and the reason why I choose them. And today I have just received a very special item. As you can see here, this one is Lakme in the Parfum concentration from Roja. A few months ago I have purchased the Eau de Parfum concentration, which was released in a limited number, and the smell of that Lakme is so intriguing. It's not like something that I have ever smelled before, because when you smell it you can imagine scene by scene of the opera Lakme. So that's why I have asked a friend of mine to actually purchase this perfume concentration, and it's here. Well, let's unbox together. You can see here on the side you can read the story about the perfume itself, and also it has been made to celebrate the Royal Opera House in Muscat, Oman. But anyway, this one is in the perfume concentration. I'm not a very gentle person, you can see. Alright. Here it is. Lakme. Wow. It's different from the other perfume concentration. The label is the same. It has this metal plate, but the cap is crystal. Wow, very nice indeed. Well, here it is, Lakme from Roja. And how does it smell? Well, I will do the review of this scent later when I have tried it for the full wear. But well, this is just the unboxing. I hope you like it and see you next time.